We allocate to pharmaceutical department about 25% of what they require. We estimate that as a facility, as Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital, to be able to meet all our needs to provide care to patients adequately, we would require up to 1 billion worth of medication in different departments. Therefore, when we get partners who are willing to come and supplement that, both in the county government and other non-governmental organizations and just other partners who come as their personal responsibility, it definitely goes a long way to bridge that gap from the 25 to 100%.
I've talked to the administration that in case this arrange is too much more than they expected, then they can still come back for more support. We are not closing our doors. Our partners are ready to support us, and we are not closing our doors. The reason that we are doing this is that we know right from the national budget, we cannot get enough resources to do everything that is needed in this country. So what we are doing here is to support both the national government and the county government with the little support so that we can be able to help them assist our people.